My name is Janice Civitilli, and I am the maker of things at the Knotty Contessa. Here at the Knotty Contessa, we make a lot of home decor, as well as epoxy charcuterie boards, cribbage boards. We do some Yeti engraving, we do corporate gifts, corporate branding. Pretty much if it can go on a laser and CNC, I can make it. The first machine I bought from CanCam was the C2-48 ATC. My company is very pink. CanCam was kind of cognizant of that, and I had asked about getting my CanCam pink. They were really, really good at accommodating, even silly little needs like that. During the procurement process, we also looked at the Aeon Mira 9. We also have added Pyburn 4.0 to the laser, and that allows us to do Yeti engraving on the site. And while people wait, they can bring in their own Yeti. They don't have to purchase it from me. So the Mira for me has been a massive increase in revenue for me. Last year, I would say probably about 40% of my total overall income came from the Mira. I had no experience with a laser. To be completely honest, I didn't know how to use it, so it is very user-friendly for someone like me who has the CNC background but not the laser background. I would say that I was probably up and running with it within a week. It's amazing. I love that it's very user-friendly, it's reliable, so that I know that if I have that pressure of having a cup on the machine and the client is standing there watching, then I know that it's not going to mess up. So the special features that mean the most to me is the ATC. With my previous machines, I had to manually change the tools for each change. The CanCam does it all on its own. So I know that if I program it and I tell it I want tool 2, I want tool 6, and then I want tool 4, it's going to do that exact thing. That's when I knew that I wanted a CanCam machine. When I saw them in action, I saw them in the back, I was like, I have to have one. So the CanCam machine is definitely an investment. It's not something that you can just wake up one day and say, I'm gonna buy it. However, what it does do is it saves you time, which in turn saves you money. Before, when I had my Shapeokos, each cribbage board would take me about a half an hour from start to finish. With the CanCam, I have it down to about 9.5 minutes per cribbage board. So it's 3 times as fast, and it's repeatable. It is exactly the same every single time. The C2 was a massive step forward in what I'm able to offer to my clients. Now I can make things as big as they need to make it. The programming has been, it was easy to learn the programming. The best part is that it's completely reliable and exact. You tell it to go this deep, it will go that deep. There's no wiggle room. Working with CanCam has been amazing. There has been times where my machine does something where it's not supposed to do or have questions. I've always sent an email and you get a response right back within a couple of hours. A couple of years ago, I had an issue with my Z on the CanCam machine. I'm fortunate enough to be close enough to CanCam that they could send a tech out to be able to fix it, and they were able to fix it within 20 minutes. I've never had a problem with continued maintenance or continued kind of problems with them. They've always been, again, very reliable, so I don't have to worry about things breaking down constantly with them. I could not have evolved and do what I did without my CanCam machine. I would still be in my garage. I would still be doing little things. I would not be doing the large business orders that I'm doing now. CanCam had everything that I needed, and they've always been right there. There hasn't been another company out there that makes a machine like they do. They have been amazing at helping us determine which one was the best one for my needs. It still confounds me to this day. It's like, yeah, okay, that is a really cool machine. Like when you use it every day, you forget how cool this machine really is.